Why are you just stand? Be normal.
I just saw this.
No, I didn't do that.
Like
Liz.
a capybara in the wild.
No,
That's what it
I was smiling. I was like, happy to see you.
Who's this?
What?
Hi.
Hi. How are you? We must stop meeting like this.
I only ever want to see you.
What?
That's not the end of the sentence. That's not the end of the sentence. I only ever want to see you in these kinds of situations.
What about other kinds of situations?
Not interested.
I was going to invite you to my birthday party.
When's your birthday party?
The 30th of January.
What astrological sign are you?
I'm an Aquarius. That's your moon.
If you have a sun sign that's the same as the moon sign of someone else,
it's not good.
no, it's good.
Oh, it's good?
Yeah.
Why is that an issue?
Well, because I don't think we should explore this.
Okay, well, I'm not even asking to.
I know, but I'm just like,
you're the one who's obsessed with,
stating-
you're obsessed with me.
that's what I'm saying. I'm scared of what it could turn into.
Okay.
And I'm not ready
It
for
would
that
be
kind
too
of
much.
thing. I'm not ready for it.
Oh, okay, well, I am.
Wait.
You're nominated tonight. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I feel like you have an affinity to playing religious
Are you
characters.
gonna ask a serious
No,
question?
I don't want
Are you
to.
actually gonna ask a serious
I
question?
knew you did.
No, go on. Let's see what we can do.
You seem to have an affinity to playing. Oh, sorry, we're just in the middle of an interview.
Go ahead. So we like. Please ask your question.
No, you have an affinity to playing religious characters. I feel like you're always playing a religious man in some way.
Not a question.
Oh yes. Why? Favorite food?
I think my least favourite food.
Yeah.
You just look over my shoulder. Someone more important. Someone is like
Yeah, Austin
Jonathan
Butler.
Rhys-Meyers.
Can we wrap this up because I need to speak to Austin Butler?
AB's on the way.
Yeah.
AB's coming in. I better bounce.
Can I get your autograph?
Wait, this feels like a trick. I'm not gonna read what it says.
It says.
I'm not gonna read what it says.
Okay.
I don't want to hear what it says.
It says best friend certificate.
My best friend.
Okay, bye.
See ya.
See you.
Hey, bye.
See you at the next carpet. Bye.
See ya.
You're great. You're great.